Types of business organization. Business organization can be of different types depending upon the factors like nature, operation, ownership, legalities, financial need, liabilities, etc. The members of the organization has to choose wisely according to their need. Kinds of business: sole proprietorship, Hindu undivided family, partnership, cooperative society. Sole proprietorship is a company which is common and primary one. This one of the primary form of business organization. A sole trader is the simplest form of business, which is why it has minimal and no registration formalities. The biggest advantage of the business organization is that the owner gets the access to the entire incentives. He is not liable to share profit anyone else. Characteristics: sole proprietorship. The individual carrier of a business exclusively for himself. He invests his own capital and controls the business, free from legal formalities. A sole trader business is not expected to meet any legal requirement. Suppose he want to open a business, he need not register with the Companies Act. Third one, unlimited liability. As partnership, sole trader is also a unlimited liability firm. In case of loss, the owner's personal asset is liable for the loss of the business. Sole management. In sole trader, the owner, he himself owns and controls the business. Secrecy. It is also an important character of sole proprietorship. As the owner, he himself takes decision, need not consult with anyone, so the secrecy is well maintained in sole trader. Sixth one, freedom from selection of business. A sole trader has the freedom to select the business of his choice. Proprietor and proprietorship. In fact, the sole trader business, the business and the ownership is not considered as difference. The owner and the business are considered as same. Hindu undivided family. This form of business is present only in India. Such form of business organization are governed by Hindu law. Any member of the Hindu family can own a Hindu family business. The elder of the family is called as Karta, who controls and manages the business. Characteristics: membership by birth. A membership of a joint Hindu family is automatically by a birth of a male child. The next one, management. The management is in the hand of the Karta, who is the eldest of the family. Third one, liability. In case of liability, the Karta has unlimited liability and other family members has limited liability. No maximum limit. There is no restriction for membership. The membership is restricted to 3 successive generations. Fifth one, minor members. A male child at the time of birth becomes the co-personal. Thus, the Hindu family business does not restrict membership to minors. Next one, unaffected by death. The continuity of business is not affected by the death of the Karta. The second elder of the family becomes Karta and manages and controls the business. Partnership firm. A partnership is the relation between individuals who decide to pool their money, skill, resource in business and share their profit and losses. In India, partnership is controlled and governed by Partnership Act 1932. Characteristics: membership, unlimited liability, sharing of profit and losses, mutual agency, voluntary registration, continuity, contractual relationship, transfer of interest. First, unlimited liability. As of sole trader, partnership is also unlimited liability. In case of loss, all partners' personal asset is liable for the loss of the business. Next one, membership. Minimum 2 members, maximum number is 100. Thus, the minor insolvent or lunatic person cannot become the members, but a minor can be admitted to partnership to share the profit alone. Sharing of profit. The partners share their profit in their agreed ratio. In the absence of any agreement, they share the profit and losses, divide equally among the partners. Mutual agency. The partnership is undertaken by all partners or any partner who act on behalf of all partners. Next, voluntary registration. The registration of partnership is not mandatory, but it is recommended. In case of any conflicts among partners, any partner can file a suit against other partner. There is any dispute between firms or outside the party. Continuity. There is lack of continuity in case of death, bankruptcy or retirement of any partner, though they can continue the operation with a fresh agreement. Next, contractual relationship. The relationship subsisting between partners is a contractual. It may be oral, written or implied. Transfer of interest. Mutual concern of all partners is a must for training or transferring the interest of the firm to any external. Cooperative society. Here, cooperative society is a type of business organization which combines joint ownership with shared leadership. Such form of business organization are common in sectors like healthcare, finance, food, agriculture, and so on. Cooperative society and trust work towards the welfare of the section of the society. Thank you for listening.